Who else is obsessed with Taiwanese popcorn chicken? Because at some point, it became the whole reason why I even get boba anymore. With every boba drink, there will always be an order of popcorn chicken. I will never get tired of it. Especially if their chicken is so tender and juicy and if that crispy layer is just on point. And most importantly, if it's seasoned so well that it puts shame on your mama's cooking, you bet that I'll be coming back even if the boba's alright, because I'm there for the best part.